how to make a character on Character.AI. So if you'd like to make a character on Character.AI, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is launch the Character.AI application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Right at the bottom, you'll find an option called Create. Simply go to the Create option, and there you'll find an option called Character. So just go to the Character option there. Now simply give this character a name depending on what is it that you prefer, and just hit the next option and describe what it looks like, right? So you can go ahead and then ask it to look like, let's say, any of these options that you want, right? And once you've done that, you can click on the next option, or you can also upload your own image. And once you've done that, you can enter your anything, like how you want it to greet you. Then after you've done that, you can just click the next option and just enter like whether you want it to make private, unlisted, or public. And once done, you can just hit the next option. You can add image generation. If you enable image generation for this character, then you can just tap on the Create option to be able to create characters on Character.AI. And this is how you'll be able to create characters on Characters.AI. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.